Hello, and welcome to the new Dokmee File Viewer. Today, we will go over some of the new features. Here, we are viewing the PDF file, so of course, we can see its contents. One great feature is that we can easily select text, copy it, and paste it elsewhere if needed. When we enter checkout mode, many new features become available. One of the new features is that we now have the viewer on the side, and the thumbnail view can be enlarged. We can also increase the size of the thumbnails if needed, and easily insert new pages. Everything is also resizable. We can take a document, choose where to insert it, and it will be added right at that spot. We can easily extract documents as well. We can select specific pages, such as 2 pages, and extract them to create a new document. On the other side, we have the comments section, where we can add annotations to the documents. For example, if I go to annotations, I can add a highlight. When I highlight part of the document, it automatically records the highlight, noting the page, who made it, the time, and even the exact text that was highlighted. And now, this highlighted text is also searchable. What's really nice with these new features is that I can add different annotations at various spots throughout the document. There are many options available. When I click on an annotation, I can adjust its settings, such as changing the color or adjusting the thickness. I can easily move it and resize it, and this one, for example, is on page 41. The other one was on page 37. If I click on this annotation, it will jump directly to it and even display an arrow to show exactly where it is on the page. Even if an annotation is no longer visible, perhaps it's hidden by another annotation, it will still show you exactly where the annotation is located. You can add comments, ask questions, and essentially have a discussion among team members. By adding replies, it becomes a threaded conversation, allowing multiple people to discuss any points as needed. We have various shapes you can add, such as circles, boxes, and more. You can also add stamps. It comes preloaded with a variety of stamps, and you can also create custom ones. You can, for example, use an approved stamp and place it directly on the document. And now the stamp is visible on the document. This is a highlighted stamp. That's a circle I created. There's also a new feature called File Attachment, which allows you to attach a file to the document. When you click on it, you can view the attached file, and the small paperclip icon indicates that a file is attached. You can add signatures as well. I can access my list of saved signatures. I can place it anywhere on the document, and the opacity isn't set to 100%. Allowing me to see the text behind it. I have the hand tool here, which lets me move around the page easily when I'm zoomed in closely. As you can see, the text is still visible behind it because I didn't set the opacity to 100%. I could make it more opaque if I wanted, but then I wouldn't be able to read the text behind it. You can adjust the opacity for signatures as needed. Those are some of the new features for the viewer. Of course, you can also turn them off as needed. You'll notice that even when we're zoomed in significantly, the quality remains excellent with this new viewer. We can also view various types of files. This, for example, is a PowerPoint file. I can also view documents like AutoCAD files, which is a new feature that offers exceptionally high quality. I'm going to zoom in significantly on this document, and you'll see that the quality remains extremely sharp. I'm currently zoomed in, and the image remains incredibly crisp and sharp. That's the advantage of this new AutoCAD viewer. It provides exceptionally high-quality viewing. We also have PhotoCAD viewers that allow us to toggle specific layers on or off as needed. We can, of course, also view Word documents. Another great feature is that we can select any text in a document and link it to a URL or another page within the document. I'll link it to page 7, and it will jump directly to that page. It jumped directly to page 7. I can also link it to a website instead of a page if I prefer. Now, when I click on it, a confirmation prompt appears since it's about to open the link. It's a security warning to ensure safe browsing. After clicking Accept, it will take me directly to that webpage. The advantage of this feature is that, for example, if there's a reference to a law or specific topic, you can link to a website that provides additional clarification or details on that subject. These are some of the new features in our revamped and updated file viewer in Dokmee ECM. For a more detailed demo, contact us at sales@dokmee.com today.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video at the end, click on the thumbs up.